Kahapon, sir, kinonfirm ni Ombudsman Remulla na he had a meeting with the ICC investigators when he was still a Justice Secretary.
Yes.
Ngayon po kasi, kung ombudsman na siya, ngayon ba yung DOJ may continuous coordination with the ICC in terms of giving protection with the witnesses?
Okay, so we know that Ombudsman Boying, when he was the SOJ, the Secretary of Justice at that time, said that he had a meeting with some ICC officials. Siyempre, alam po natin that the administration, or at least the Department of Justice, nag-iba na ang secretary. So right now, categorically, we can say that there have been no such meetings with the ICC. Okay?
With Secretary Vida?
With Secretary Vida, nor any DOJ officials had any meeting with the ICC. And we reiterate our previous stance that because of the pending petitions for certiorari and prohibition with the Supreme Court, and we deem it prudent na hintayin na lang namin yung resolution nun by the Supreme Court, no? But our position also, that being said, is that if we were to coordinate with the ICC now, there would be no legal prohibition. I think that one thing is clear legally, at least, no? That's why the petitions were filed with the Supreme Court, because kina-question nga nila kung legal or valid ba yung naging arrest ni former President Duterte dati. Will continued cooperation with the ICC also be illegal? That's a question that's pending with the Supreme Court. Now, since tinanong nga yun, meaning that our current laws do not clearly provide a prohibition na bawal kayo makipag-coordinate sa ICC, diba? Or Interpol for that matter. Understandably, yes, we know that we've withdrawn from the Rome Statute. That is clear. Diba? But there is no legal prohibition under our laws that says that you cannot coordinate with any international agency, tribunal, and that doing so would be a constitutional violation. Wala pong ganon sa batas natin. Kaya nga po question sa Supreme Court kasi hindi klaro ngayon. Diba? But again, our position is no legal prohibition, but we deem it prudent to wait for the resolution by the Supreme Court.
First, may nag-reach out ba kay Secretary Vida from ICC